welcome back and back and back. Guys, it's a Saturday afternoon. It's about 12:57 and it's raining heavily. And yeah, so I am, oh, it's so dark. Hasmina. So I am actually on my way to Chitaka Fuel. I am going for a staycation. Woo! I'm going for a staycation. I don't know why I'm this happy, but yeah, I'm going for a staycation. So let's go. We're gonna see you when we're there. Let me just show you how it is. Like, it's heavily raining. Let me show you. And then we go. Guys, so this is Chilanga. Look at how dark it is. It's so heavily raining. Can you see that? So I've actually put my lights on full beam and I've switched on my I think they're hazards. Look at that water. Look, I have to pass here so slowly. Oh my god, look. Anyway, let me drive. We'll see you when we get there. So I'm actually here, guys, and just checking in. And then this is the reception area. There's a restaurant that side, and that's a car park. So I'm just checking in. They've gone to check if the room is ready. Then yeah, we go to our room. We change and go for a boat cruise. Guys, so I'm about to check in my room. I'm about to get into my room, not to check in. Anyway, I don't know whatever that is. But yeah, I must say I have quite a lot of stuff in the car, in which some I have to give to people to eat. Like I was having pizza and some wings, so I'll find either these guys that clean or the guard to eat these as I go to the boat cruise, because the boat cruise is on the other side. But first I'll have to drive this side to show you guys. I've been here, by the way. I'm gonna put the link somewhere on top so that you guys can remember. I can remind you. So I've been here. The last time I was here was when I came to have lunch. I think this month, yeah, before I went to Livingstone. So I'm gonna put the link somewhere here so that you guys can find it and deal with it, you know. So anyway, let's go check in. Guys, are you even ready? I know you're not ready, but I am ready. Let me show you guys around, yeah, in my room. So there's actually a small note here which says, dear valued customer, kindly leave your room keys at the reception for cleaning in the morning. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 hours in the main restaurant. Checkout time is 10 hours. And thank you for choosing Chita Lodge Cafe, the true African lodging by management. Okay, so let me show you guys. And then that's when I'll go grab my stuff, and then I prepare because someone is picking me up so that we go for the cruise. You know what I mean? Are you even ready? So this is my room number 5. So welcome to my home. I'm just gonna lock that because I'm about to shower. Okay, so when you enter on the right, we have a bin there, and then you have a portrait. You know how much I love portraits, guys. And there's this chair that I can use. I'm gonna be working today. There's a small drawer there. There is your queen. There's a mirror here, a side table. There's an aircon there. Yeah, there you are. And guys, there's a bed. Okay, this is a bed. There's a bed with this chair. Don't mind what's going on here. And there we have our small kitchen. And there's a fridge down here. So they actually give you water and 2 glasses. There's a fridge. It works. And in here, that's where I've thrown my things. That's my suitcase, my laptop bag, and a few things that I got before coming. They give you an extra blankie. Yeah, and hangers. So this one is supposed to be closed. And they warned me that there are mosquitoes here. So if I need any target, I have to tell them, because they just don't spray in rooms. There's another side table there. There is my TV. It leads to something here. The phone is spoiled, so they hid it in here. Okay. Oh, guys. Oh my God. Guys, look. There's actually a Bible. Oh my God. Guys, like, how many of you guys have been to a place, a hotel, where they actually give you a Bible? I think this is my second. The first one was the time I went to that Chinese hotel in Livingstone. I'm gonna leave a link here so that you watch it. I think they gave us small, in fact they actually gave us to go with them at home, the small Bibles. Isn't that good? I think it is good. Yeah, look at that. There's actually a Bible. So I'm gonna put it here because I didn't come with any today. And there's a bathroom here. Yeah, there it is, the bathroom. Oh, and there's a towel actually. Let me show you. They actually gave me a towel. I have a towel, okay? Here. Let's go back to the bathroom. So there's soap in here. Yeah. And there's shower gel here, a very tiny one. Anyway, and there is that. There's another mirror there. The bathroom here. I wish I could show you guys behind, because actually behind there's a swimming pool for the kids, but I can't go there. Anyway, guys, so actually behind there's a swimming pool for the kids, but I'm not gonna go there. Yeah, I'm not gonna go there. Yeah, but there is a swimming pool for the kids. So let me just freshen up, and then I see you guys once I'm done, as I wait for my friend, because he must be here. Maybe he's almost here, because the cruise is at 4 p.m. and this is 2:40, 209. I don't know what's going on, guys. So let me just put the clothes that I'm gonna be wearing on the bed, and then I leave my things on the charger charging. And yeah, so we're gonna see you back, guys. So I'm actually ready for the cruise. I look beautiful, by the way. I know. So anyway, I think this is it for now. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. My next. I had to brush my teeth, right? Anyway, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I have to go. You guys, do you know this song? Forever Chongo. Love is a beautiful thing. Hey, that's it. Redeem claims. So yeah. Bye.